This type of question where we're all doing double squared expansions is not going to appear in the test. You will have to multiply two terms in brackets with another two terms in brackets, but not twice in the same question, but I'll show you how to do this. You need to remember that this squared means just this thing times itself. What is it squaring? It's squaring all of this because it's outside the bracket. So x plus 3 squared means x plus 3 times x plus 3. This is being subtracted by x minus 3 squared. So I've got my subtraction sign, which I've moved here, and then I've got x minus 3 and x minus 3. So what you need to understand it's this subtracting all of this, but we don't deal with that yet because we need to multiply things first. All right, so the technique we use to make sure everything is multiplied is FOIL, which is just a check system to make sure that you do that. So first terms multiplied together, so x times x is x squared. Then the outside term, so that's the x and the plus 3. So that's x times 3 is plus positive 3x. The inside terms, which is 3 times x, which is another 3x. And plus 3 times plus 3, which is plus 9. There is a shorter way to do things that are squared, which if you know you can use, but that's there. And then let's keep that in brackets because that stuff is together. I'm subtracting all of this. So using FOIL, first terms are the x and the x, they're both positive, so I get x squared. The outside terms are the x and the minus 3, remember that belongs to the 3, so x times minus 3, they're opposite, so it's a negative value, minus 3x. Inside terms, minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And then minus 3 times minus 3, they are the same symbol, both negatives, which means I'll get a positive answer. Okay. Why is it important that I have this in brackets? Because it's saying that I'm subtracting all of these values. So if I'm subtracting all of these values, I need to make sure that I'm subtracting x squared. If I weren't paying attention to that, then I would end up with an addition of x squared, a subtraction of 3x, a subtraction of 3x, and an addition of 9. But because it's subtracting all of this, having it in brackets helps me not do that, incorrectly. So what I want to do with this negative sign outside, which means -1, I'm multiplying everything by -1, which changes everything to the opposite sign. Okay. Let's collect like terms. Let's start with the squareds. So x squareds, here's a like term. Here's another one. Remember that negative belongs to that. So x squared minus x squared is 0. I've got add 3x, add 3x, add 3x, add 3x. That's 12 of them. And then 9 minus 9, which is 0. So the answer is 12x.